Sometimes we delete photos or videos from our Apple iPhone, but there's one important thing. If you normally delete photos or videos, they won't be completely removed right away. First they go to the recently deleted section, and only after 30 days will they be permanently deleted. But if you want to delete those photos or videos completely and permanently before 30 days, you can do that. In this video we'll show you how. For this, open the Photos app. When it opens, down below you can see the Collections option. Tap on Collections. After tapping that, scroll down and at the bottom here you'll see Recently Deleted. Tap on Recently Deleted. When you tap on that, here you'll see the View Album option. Tap on View Album. When you do that, you'll be asked to confirm your identity with Face ID. I'm confirming my identity. And after that, here you can see many photos and videos. Down here you can see 29 days. That means this photo or video will be deleted in 29 days. So if you don't want to wait, here's what you can do. You can see the Select option here. Tap on it and select the photos or videos you want to delete now. After that, here you can see 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots. And here you can see the Delete option. Tap on Delete. When you tap on that, here you can see Delete from this iPhone. When you tap on that, those photos or videos will be deleted. And one more thing, if you want to completely delete everything in one go, here's what you can do. You can go to your phone settings. When you're in Settings, here you can see the General option. Tap on General, and here you can see iPhone Storage. Tap on iPhone Storage. And here sometimes you can see some recommendations. You can see the recently deleted album, and next to that you can see the Empty option. If you don't see it, scroll down. And here you can see the Photos app. Tap on that. And here you can see some recommendations, and next to that, like before, you can see the Empty option. Tap on Empty. When you tap on that, here you can see Delete from this iPhone. When you tap on that, every photo and video in the recently deleted section will be deleted. So this way you can easily delete photos or videos from the recently deleted section on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.